In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find starred templates in Canva. If you've ever saved a template in Canva and then struggled to find it again later, you're definitely not alone. Starring templates is a great way to keep your favorite designs, layouts, and creative assets within reach. But the tricky part is knowing exactly where Canva stores them. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access those starred templates from the Canva home screen, and also how to find them while you're already working inside a design. To begin, go to your Canva home screen. If you're currently inside a design, look to the top left area of the page and click Home to return to your main dashboard. Once you're there, move over to the left side of the screen. You should see Canva's main sidebar. If it looks collapsed, click the menu icon in the upper left corner to expand the navigation panel so you can see all of the available sections more clearly. After the sidebars open, look for the templates section and click it. This will open Canva's main template area. Now pay attention to the left-hand side again, because once the templates page loads, you'll usually see additional options appear in that sidebar. Look for the section labeled Starred or Starred Content, then click it. As soon as you do, Canva should display the templates and assets you've previously saved, making it much easier to browse your favorites in one place instead of searching all over again. There's also another convenient way to do this if you're already editing a design and don't want to go back to the home screen. Open any project in Canva so you're inside the editor. On the left side of the editing window, click Projects or Folders, depending on what appears in your version of Canva. In that panel, scroll until you find Starred, then select it. This lets you view your saved items directly from inside your current workspace, which can save time when you want to pull in a favorite asset without interrupting your workflow. Once your starred content is visible, you can narrow things down by using the search or filter options at the top of the panel, or simply scroll through the thumbnails until you find what you need. If you want to confirm you found the right design, click the three-dot icon on the template card to check its details before opening it. When you're ready to use a starred template, click the thumbnail from the home screen and select Customize this template. If you're working inside an open design, just drag the starred item from the side panel onto your canvas. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.